just coming through, trying to decide what I want to do to my hair because I am getting ready to go on vacation. And I like what you currently do, but I think I'm going to spend all the time in the world trying to go and get some hair. And that's something I want to do. I like the hair because it's wet and then you can also straighten it. So, but I don't know if I want to redo the I don't want to use the same tracks for that. But I did it like the day after the course. I'm taking it out. And I just just turn my hair and putting my hair in a ponytail and traveling, and then I have some half wigs. I want to take with me and just put the hair down and just start on my baby's nose. Or I could just do that. And I have found some anything that I had left over from last year when I did a slave band, and that's some way that and it's like that and it's like 14 inches. And then this is the rest of it. It's really small to that. So I think I'll have to just add it in, just add it in, and just add this. And so, it's going to be hot. There's a lot of milk about this, and I'm just going to hold my hair till the sun by a ponytail, and I'm just going to put some hair in and go. And I know it's going to be hot. I don't know what to do. But I'm going to take this out tomorrow. My best friend, she receives her hair. She takes it out and she just re-puts it in there. She makes sure it's going to just she puts it in. I like doing that, but I'm not picky. When I take my hair out, I want new hair. So that's get her done so on Thursday. And just mold it back and then get some hair out in the front just so you can I can just add a couple pieces in there and kind of make my business. It'll be kind of thin, but just something. So I want to put that with a ponytail and just slip it back and just go. So that's an option. What I'm thinking about, I'm going to pack and I'm going down south. So I do a lot of Diva. So we're going to Georgia from the 17th to the 20th. And we'll meet my mom in Atlanta, and then we're going to Alabama to the 24th. So I just packing a bunch of dresses and shorts, just a bunch of dresses and some sandals, and I don't think I'm going to do too much makeup. I think I'm just going to take my eye pencils and some mascara, honey mascara, and some lip gloss, and that's really natural. I just need to do with my hair. So if anybody has any ideas, especially like with that I can cut it and make it short, I used to have short wigs that'll be hot too, but you just have to look at the ideas, and I just had